Only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
As today, as your sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
Yeah, you are a leader of opposition.
Okay.
Or,
so let me speak, sir.
Yeah, please, I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know that. That's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side, you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again, you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
so
I
think you are not ready to avoid the please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so. You have to speak only on budget. बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना. There is a general discussion on the union budget for 2027.
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think.
Nice. So, Speaker sir. So I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए सर. So the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
So you and your member have not made any question. I believe that day when Piyush Goyal has made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए.
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
ओके थैंक यू.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude.
So we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर, and it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything.
एक मिनट आप रिपीट बार एक चीज का हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना, ये बोल सकते हैं. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है।